Hey, today's topic will be holders for your mobile phones. You know when you get in the car and you want to put your phone onto something on the window sill or in the air vent, or you're at home and you want to put the phone on something. Well, I found a really cool product which my husband was using for the car, but the newer version looks like it is also for the home, so it's a two-in-one kind of solution. Let me show you. So this is the one that my husband used to use and still does. It's served him quite well for over a year now. It hasn't fallen off the window, which is a common problem with these mounts, the suction ones. They suction onto the window and then after a few weeks they fall off, and then you're continuously, you know, going through that cycle of it falls off, you put it back up, blah blah. This one actually holds onto the window. It's been really good. Now I went looking for one for me to put on my side of the car for my phone when I'm a passenger, but I couldn't find this particular one, so I found this one. Same company, but I think they may have upgraded. I'm not sure exactly on the models here, but this one here seems to be even better than the other one. Let me show you on the back, so you might be able to see there that you can not only mount it on your desk but also on suction capable walls, and also in the car on the dashboard. So car, home and office, which is a pretty cool product. I didn't really realize that it even existed. I went searching just for the car one. So I'll flick the camera over to the desk and I'll do a little unboxing so you can see what's inside, and then I'll show you how it works. Alright, so let's have a look at this box first quickly. I'll show you all the sides so you can pause this if you want and have a read. Top and bottom. That's the inside, and that's actually got the little magnet there, so it's sticking together to demonstrate how it works. Okay, let's open it up. So just take these seals off. Alright, let's have a look in the box. So we've got some instructions at the top and just the mount inside some plastic. Alright, so here we go. Rinse with water for improved grip performance. That looks like the bit that goes on the window, and that's your little mount, and it's got a turn on it and a little cable tuck in there. That's pretty cool. And let's have a look at the instructions quickly. Oh, there's the plate, and everything else has just fallen out. So there's two plates, a big one and a small one, and cleaning wipe, instructions, sticker, and here's the instructions. Alright, so basically this goes into your phone. So if I bring my phone here, I need to take the case off, and everything gets cleaned up, etc., and then this gets glued on to the back here, so it remains on your phone. The cover goes back on, and then basically the phone just rests on that magnet. So that will go on the window, and then you've got this that will take the phone. But I'll show you in the car and also at the desk how this mounts and how it looks at the table. Okay, so what we need to do is just take the little sticker off this, then I'll place that on the table, pull the lever down, and that's now secured, and the phone just magnetically sticks to the holder. So you can have that as your desk holder. In the booklet they say that the stick grip suction cup creates a secure hold on windows and textured dashboards, so you can mount your device wherever you want it. And then to release, so you just lift the clip up and then push that lever up to get the suction off. Okay, so I'll show you how to stick it in the car now. I'll take the sticker off and I'll just pop it on and press that down, and then we can just pop the phone on it like that. So that brings me to the end of the video. I hope you got something out of it and enjoyed watching it. If you did, then please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you want to see more stuff from me. Thanks for watching.